Hi guys, welcome to Richard Cabile YouTube channel, and today's video I will teach you how to set the iPhone time format set into 24 hours. And okay guys, but before we start, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel by pressing the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, let's start. So okay guys, you'll have to do is go to setting in your iPhone 6 Plus mobile phone. In settings, okay, scroll down and go to general. In general, okay, you can see the date and time. Okay, tap this. In date and time, okay, you can see the 24-hour time, and on the right side you can see the switch button. And okay guys, to enable or to set the time into 24-hour format on your iPhone 6 Plus mobile phone, you'll have to do is switch on the switch button on the right side of this 24-hour time. And okay guys, that's it. We have successfully set into 24-hour time format of your iPhone 6 Plus mobile phone. And okay guys, to back again in 12 hours format, you'll have to do is switch off the switch button on the right side. And okay guys, I decide to set into 24 hours time format of my iPhone 6 Plus mobile phone. And okay guys, that's it. We have successfully set the iPhone 6 Plus time format into 24 hours. And okay guys, if you have a question, kindly comment below. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, thank you for watching.